Today we're gonna make this beautiful and delicious Christmas lasagna. To get started on making our Christmas lasagna, we're gonna start here on our stove. We have our water boiling here, so I'm gonna add in our noodles to cook them. You need about 12 to 15 noodles, which is basically a whole box of lasagna noodles. So we're gonna make our 3 different layers. We have a red layer, a green layer, and a white layer. So for our red layer, we're gonna do a meat sauce. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat that up, and we're gonna cook our onion. So we're gonna do 1 small chopped onion, or if you have a large onion, just do half of it. So we're gonna cook our onion until our onions are translucent, and then we're gonna add in our garlic. Now we're gonna add in our garlic. So I have 2 cloves of chopped garlic. And next we're gonna add in our ground beef. So I have about a little over a pound of ground beef. And while our ground beef is cooking, I'm gonna just season it. We'll do about a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. So now that our ground beef is cooked, now we're gonna add in our sauce. So we're gonna do 4 cups of marinara sauce. We're gonna stir this, and then we're gonna let this simmer. And this will be our red layer for our lasagna. So we're gonna let our red sauce simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and now we're gonna make our other 2 layers. So we have a white layer and a green layer. So for our white layer, we have 2 cups of ricotta. We have a cup of shredded mozzarella, parmesan. We have 1 egg. Always crack your egg on the side. Mix that in there. We're gonna do a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So that is our white layer. Let's mix this together. And now for our green layer, we have basil pesto, so a cup of basil pesto. And then we're gonna do spinach. So this is frozen spinach, just thaw it, squeeze it so that it's nice and dry, no more liquid. We're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of parmesan, and ricotta, 1/2 a cup. Mix this together. It's gonna make such a beautiful, colorful dish. All our layers are ready. We have a green layer, white layer, our red layer is ready. I'm gonna go grab our baking dish, and we're gonna assemble our lasagna. So we have all our layers, and we're ready to assemble. I'm gonna just put a little olive oil on the bottom. And now we're gonna start with our noodles. So here we go, we have our noodles, lay them down. So there you go, we have 4 noodles there. I'm gonna start with our red layer. So after our red layer, we're gonna put some more noodles. We have our 4 noodles there, and then we're gonna do our green layer. So after the green, we're gonna do more noodles. And then our white layer. So I'm gonna take all of our cheese, press this down. So now our last 4 noodles there. We're gonna put the rest of our meat mixture. Spread this out. Look how beautiful that is. So colorful. Great. So now we're gonna sprinkle some Parmesan and fresh mozzarella before we put it in the oven. So the true test to this lasagna will be if my picky 13-year-old lasagna lover will actually eat this, because I added this green layer. She's probably gonna think that's weird, but I'm gonna give it to her tonight. Let's see. And some Parmesan. Perfect. Now I'm gonna cover it. Look at that. I'm gonna cover with aluminum foil, and we're gonna put this in the oven. So once your lasagna has cooked, make sure you let it sit so that it can cool, and then you're gonna be able to cut it. So look at this. We're gonna cut this down the center. Can't wait to see all these colors. Let's see here. What a beautiful lasagna. Oh, look at that. I love this. Check out my website, nikkikleckis.com, for tons of recipes, including this one for my Christmas lasagna.